Hi, I'm Captain Garon Patrick Mosby, Public Information Officer for the St. Louis Fire Department, in partnership with the City of St. Louis Department of Health. Did you know that an invisible, odorless gas in your home could be deadly? As temperatures drop, many of us turn on our furnace or use space heaters to stay warm. But that also increases the risk of carbon monoxide, or CO. CO is produced when fuel-burning appliances like furnaces, gas stoves, fireplaces, or generators aren't properly vented or maintained. Symptoms of carbon monoxide exposure can include headaches, dizziness, nausea, weakness, or confusion. Because CO, or carbon monoxide, is invisible and odorless, you might not even realize you're being exposed. To stay safe this season, install carbon monoxide alarms on every level of your home and near sleeping areas. Test those alarms monthly and replace the batteries twice a year. Have your furnace, fireplace, and vents inspected annually, and never run vehicles or generators, grills inside garages or enclosed spaces. Now, if your alarm sounds or if you feel any of the symptoms we mentioned, leave immediately and call 911. Together, we can keep our homes and neighborhoods safe all year long. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to sharing more updates to help keep St. Louis safe, prepared, and healthy.
You can always find more information at stlouis-mo.gov/health.